Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive full storage issue on your Android phone but worried about deleting important file. In this video I am going to show you how to free up Google Drive space safely step by step. Let's get started without deleting important file. First you need to open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. As you can see guys, 91% of storage is full in my Google Drive. So just in the left corner tap on this three line and open the storage, and here in the storage guys tap on more details and tap on clean up space. Scroll down and open the large photo and video section, and if the unnecessary file is stored in your Google Drive, so just select it and delete it from your phone. Okay, so it will free up storage space in your Google Drive. And one more thing you can do guys, if the recycle bin is full on your Google Drive, tap on this three line once again and open the trash folder. Okay, and if the file was stored here, just remove it. Now you need to manage your Google Photo. To manage your Google Photo, open the Google Photos app. Okay, and open the photo settings and go to backup, and you need to disable the backup and select the backup quality. You need to select the storage saver backup quality from here. It will save your lots of storage. Okay, and find out the unnecessary photos and video stored in the Google Photos app. That's it. Now you need to try one more method. Open the Gmail app. In the search bar you need to search #attachment larger 10M and then search it. So it will show you the all email that have large email attachment. Just select it, unnecessary emails like this, and then delete it. It will also free up some your storage space. If you don't want to lose important file, backup them to the local storage or another cloud service like Dropbox or OneDrive before deleting from the Google Drive, and then delete your Google Drive space. Okay, so that's all today guys, the short and very simple video. If you enjoy our video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.